Hey, it's Matthew, and let's open up the Hot Wheels 2021 A-Case. I want to give a huge shout out to Trendy County for sending this case over. They ship worldwide, so check them out. In the US, you can get cases from One Stop Diecast and A&J Toys. So let's open this case up. So super for this case is a Nissan 300 ZX. The regular treasure hunt is a Baja Bone Shaker, and the ID is a Batmobile. So the first cars of the case are the Electro Silhouette, the 10 Pro Stock Camaro, and the 32 Ford. It's pretty cool with the Uno design. Then we have the 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, the Nissan 300 ZX Twin Turbo. This is the regular, and the Mad Props. Then we have the Night Dragon, the Poison Arrow, and the Baja Bone Shaker, which is the treasure hunt. Then we have the Carbonator, the Road Bandit, and the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. Then we have another 10 Pro Stock Camaro, tuned twin mill, and a high roller. Then we have a Barbie Dream Camper, tuned twin mill, and 86 Monte Carlo SS. Then we have a Quad Rod, 52 Chevy, and 70 Dodge Charger RT. Then we have a Roger Dodger 2.0, 86 Monte Carlo SS, and a Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. Then we have a Bunt of Steel, RV There Yet, and a 2010 Chevy Impala. Then we have a 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. This is the regular. 96 Porsche Carrera. And then 2019 Audi R8 Spider. Then we have the HW Warp Speeder, 2010 Chevy Impala, and the Toyota Off-Road Truck. Then we have a 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, a Hyper Fin, and a 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. Getting to the second half, we have a T-Rex Destroyer, 64 Corvette Stingray, and a Roger Dodger 2.0. Then we have a Toyota AE86 Sprinter Turuno, Triumph TR6, and a Tankinator. Then we have another Hyperfin, an X34 Land Speeder, pretty cool, from Star Wars, and a Barbie Dream Camper. Then we have a 69 Camaro, 2019 Audi R8 Spider, and the Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile. This is the regular, so not the ID. Then we have the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trueno, Mattel Dreammobile, and the Big Air Bel Air. Then we have the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, Cruise Bruiser, and the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. Then we have a Ryger motor, Mattel Dreammobile, and a Corvette C706. Then we have an X34 Land Speeder, 2018 Bentley Continental GT3, and an Aeropod. Getting to the bottom of the case, we have a Night Dragon, 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, and a Big Air Bel Air. Then we have Velosa Racer, Retroactive, and a 69 Camaro. Then we have Electro Silhouette, 2019 Kia Stinger GT, and a Corvette C7 Z06. The last cars of the case are the Velosa Racer, 2019 Kia Stinger GT, and 70 Dodge Power Wagon. I did not get the Supra in my case, but here's what the Supra would look like. So the color is not that much different. It's a little bit darker, but then the wheels are a lot different. These are star, and then these are the 6-spoke. Then it says TH, not 25 TH. No different tampos, and just everything's the same. Then on the card, same thing, just the wheels and the color. So for this case, I'm giving away the Tune Twin Mill and the Big Air Bel Air. In order to be entered for the giveaway, 1. Like and subscribe. Only verified subscribers will be able to win. 2. Comment below I love Hot Wheels. And 3. Forward this video to 2 people. So my favorite cars from this case is a 96 Porsche Carrera, the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trueno, the 64 Corvette Stingray, the Barbie Dream Camper, the 32 Ford with the Uno design, the Star Wars X34 Land Speeder, the Baja Bone Shaker, and the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. So it's pretty cool. It's on the X34 Land Speeder card. There's a TIE Fighter right here. And then there's wheels. So yes, you can drive it. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And tell me what your favorite cards are from this 2021 A case.